came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Hey there, Huragan's here. We did all possible racing events and came back to California. Today's going to be a very nice episode because we'll show you FuelFest, a lovely motorsport party. We were offered to run here, Matt Field will drift here, and so will we. California. Delightful weather. Irwindale Speedway, Supra, Team Huragan. Expect some really good content.
Crazy boy. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it.
FuelFest is such an event where Vin Diesel, Paul Walker have always performed. And I never thought that at the age of 37, I would be in America, in Los Angeles, at the Fast and Furious Fest. The music festival is in the center of the track, and we will drift around it.
What's up, guys? I'm Jeff Jones. We are here at FuelFest for 2023, and HOTPIT Autofest is contracted to run the drifting portion of the show. So we've brought out 40 badass drifters who are going to be giving ride-alongs throughout the day and having a really fun time. So HOTPIT Autofest is a drift competition with 40 of the best Pro-Am drivers locally, and so it's kind of an alternative series to Formula D. HOTPIT Autofest is mostly held at Irwindale Speedway and Orange Show Speedway in San Bernardino. FuelFest is one of these amazing shows that you literally are drifting next to a massive concert. There's going to be over 12,000 people here, probably 15,000 by the time it's all said and done. And there's a huge drift fan crowd here. It's a big Fast and the Furious, fan base. So these guys all really love cars. So it's just a really good, fun atmosphere. The movies are pretty cool. It got a little wild after part 3 and 4, but I'm a fan of anything cars, so definitely.
Turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna pop, pop. Turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna pop, pop. Turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna pop, pop. Turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna pop, pop. Turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun. Turn around. I just wanna have fun. Turn around. I just wanna turn dance. I just wanna
We've already had 2 runs. Nice and smoky. There was also one tandem where I was the leader. Now I'll go as a chaser. So let's go and have some fun.
He be riding on the wave. I ain't got a lot to say. Mine's heavy, give me space. Pine's ready, let me blaze. Spend money, what a waste. Time's money, money pays. You ain't ready for the 8th. She ain't ready for the 8th. Monkey asking me about how I got the P, I told her leave it, mama grow. Then they're ringing off my phone. Life changed, but mine's made. No, I ain't got line patience. Tried dead, don't like pages. Come close, but swear down. When girls with a hurt pack. If I post loud, get your bird whack to my condo where I bird cracks with the gang. Catch that for the gram, snap that for the man. These girls with the rose, no money in the hand. I ain't never had to feel away. Ranks didn't even feel away. Watch me, she make either way. Never want it 'cause I can. Back chat for the white gang. Put charge on this sack man. Passport with a milestone. Green space with a lifeline. This must be a daydream. Max got me the mad plan. My team never lied on. Due a visit from the facts, man. He be riding on the wave. I ain't got a lot to say. Mine's heavy, give me space. Pine's ready, let me blaze. Spend money, what a waste. Time's money, money pays. You ain't ready for the 8th. Clothes, same watch, fake crepe, same fuck, Spain squad, same lots, but flop. Ain't what, I ain't one, don't stop. Leveling proceeds, increase heavily, don't madness. Back soon going ham. Come see how we ride out. Short change, but smile brow. Been blazed for a while now. Stay ready for the jam.
Very, very nice, bro.
I ain't got a lot to say.
We are making pretty good tandems, where I'm the chaser.
I ain't got a lot to say. Mine's heavy, give me space. Pine's ready, let me blaze. Spend money, what a waste. Times money, money pays. You ain't ready for the eighth. She ain't ready for the eighth.
What? It's alcohol.
Oh, okay.
It's not a gas fuel.
I guess. All right.
My mind run deep in my thoughts when I didn't have it. Sleeping on the floor, wishing it was a mattress. Now I'm in Hollywood with actors and actresses, where everybody bougie, latest trends and fashions. I'm ready to get I'm trying to pay the bills just like last
Wonderful day. Drift all day long. I had a lot of runs. There were tandems and all kinds of jams. Threesome, eightsome, everything you can imagine. I ran with Rome, Matt Field, and other pro drivers. I even hit Matt Field a little bit during one of the runs. But after that, we kept going even better than before. Awesome day. Great people, great vibe. We're gonna win the hearts of the American audience.